Welcome everyone, Adam the Woo here. Parnell Park Community and Senior Center is that way. But where is Parnell Park? That's for me to know and you to figure out with a quick Google search. Southern California, Parnell Park. You could probably tell me faster than I could tell you. So why even say anything? With the beauty of the internet, everyone knows where everyone is at every possible moment of every possible day of every possible second. It's my second channel, daily blog channel. It's the Daily Woo. Happy Saturday. Hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. The weekend is in full bloom. And I am blooming with excitement because today is a wonderful day. It's a little cool right now. I have my hoodie on, but I was listening to the radio in my van, one of the local Southern California radio stations, and they said that as the day progresses and as the morning fades away into the afternoon, it'll be t-shirt weather, and I always wear t-shirts. Normally, I always wear t-shirts. Actually, by normally, I mean every day of the week, and prepare yourself now for this. It's a big bird. Not Big Bird from Sesame Street. Not the Big Bird that you know and love, children, ma'ams, and sirs. But a big metal bird. A Terminator bird, if you will. That's right. He's got to come and eat your worms right there. Come on. Look at that Terminator worm. He's pulling out, actually that's not a Terminator worm, that's a Terminator bird. A birdie beak of metal, chowing down on another metal worm of goodness. Oh, and there's actually a name. Rocket Robin, there you go. Rocket Robin, made by Tom Askman. He's an artist in 2010. So there's a little information there, a little research that I have done for you and given to you in the form of a vlog, Daily Woo vlog. This bird is made of metal, which I am commonly referring to as the Terminator bird. And look at this. He has rockets for feathers. You see the rockets? But what really draws my attention is behind the Terminator metal bird, the rocket bird, shining as a sun a long, long time, is actually a zoo. There's actually a zoo out here. Look at this. This is awesome. We actually have some zoo hours, some zoo-y type hours. 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., closed on Thursdays. Today is Sunday, so the zoo is open. However, it is a little early in the morning still, so I think the zoo actually is not quite open yet. But you can see there are some animals in there. All kind of animal goodness. Having a wonderful weekend. Some pigs and goats and chickens. I always think of, whenever I think of goats, chickens, and pigs, I always think of Wilford Brimley in the movie The Natural, when he's talking to his secondary coach, who I cannot remember who the actor was that played the secondary coach. But he's talking about how he should not have been a baseball coach. I should have been a farmer, Red. I should have been a farmer. I love chickens and goats and pigs. Wilford Brimley. What is that noise? Look at these. Roosters. And chickens and ducks. I've noticed a lot of people have been chiming in on the sun profusely profounding and annihilating your retinas when you watch these vlogs. I know it's annoying. My main channel, the Adam the Woo channel, I go to great lengths to strive to make the editing very well. In fact, I'm working on a new main channel video, It's a filming location. It should be up hopefully by tomorrow. I'm finishing up twerking out. I'm not twerking. I'm not Miley Cyrus here. I'm tweaking. There's a difference between twerking and tweeting and tweaking. Right now I'm tweaking my main channel video for a new Adam the Woo adventure channel, and the Adam the Woo channel video will be up very soon. Those videos I have time to set up shots, use a little slider, use my tripod. With the vlogs, I try to give you guys a 360 circular view of everything that's going on. So sometimes there is no sun, sometimes there is sun, sometimes I'm wearing my sunglasses, sometimes I'm not wearing my sunglasses. Sometimes we have a huge, gargantuan, earthly, opposite of an earthly object known as the sun beating down into your eyes, which is happening right now. And sometimes the sun is that way. And I don't really notice it when I'm filming because I'm very spastic, because you would be very spastic too if you were looking at a Terminator bird, or at least something as epic on a daily basis as a Terminator bird. That's right, come on! So I apologize for the sun, but just remember this. You're looking at the sun through a very small computer screen or a large TV, whichever. Either way, you're looking at a video image of the sun, which is never as bright as me looking into the sun with my own eyes.